Hello guys, welcome to my channel. You can see the beautiful glacier here and the beautiful waterfalls. We have colonies of penguins over there. Beautiful, a large group of penguins, and it's a beautiful environment today, and it's a beautiful place with the glacier. I hope you enjoy this beautiful place. It's once in a lifetime to be here. And you can see the penguins swimming over there down with the group, and I'm loving this beautiful place with the beautiful nature of the glacier melting and the waterfall over there. Like, share, subscribe my channel. Thank you.